Hello, today I'm going to make some pancakes. You might know them as crepes. There's the ingredients. To be fair and to be honest, I did put in about a teaspoon of vegetable oil and a tiny sprinkling of salt, really tiny amount of salt. It was lunchtime, I was peckish, and this is what I decided to make. It's everything into the bowl and then whisk it up. So there goes the flour, the milk, the egg, that teaspoon of oil, a little pinch of salt, and then whisk it up and just keep whisking and whisking and whisking until it goes smooth. It will do. It took longer than the video shows, but it didn't take very long. I can remember disasters in the past where I've had to put it in the blender or through a sieve, but not this time. Look, a really good quality frying pan is the trick to it not sticking. And then you saw me just coat it with some oil, taking a paper towel that's got oil on it and then just wiping that around. That's all you need. Spread the batter out. You're going to be able to make with this quantity two and a bit pancakes. It takes time. There's no rush. Look, here's a trick. Before you try to turn it over, just check it's completely loose. Loosen it up, and then to see if it's ready, flip it over. If it's not, you can always flip it back. That was good enough for me, plus I was getting hungry. It was a bit later than my normal lunch. Both sides are cooked, onto the plate. Time to do another one. Oil, liquid, spread it out. Just tilt the pan around, get it nice and even. Thin is probably better than thick when it comes to pancakes. When it's loose, flip it over, cook the other side. Alright, well, I did make two pancakes. Here's the first one. And of course you can put lemon and sugar on. You could use some lovely maple syrup, anything you like. I happen to have some blackcurrant jam. This is how I like to prepare them. Roll it up, shove it in. Although today I did decide to cut it up to see if I can make it look pretty for you. And then you're going to see the second one in a minute. So this was my blackcurrant jam. And then the second one, I went for peanut butter. Happens to be crunchy peanut butter because that's what we had in the fridge. Couldn't spread it everywhere, but look, if you spread it just across the middle, roll it up. Super lunch, favourite.